What's up, YouTube? Back another video. I'm on 110 and it's currently raining, and hopefully I don't crash because everything is soaking wet, and you can probably tell I've already been riding a little bit and I have not crashed yet, so yeah. Whipping it. Oh my gosh. Got all the grass is wet too. Once on this bike, even a donut. That's the only. Oh shoot! I gotta go down at this rut. Okay. I mean, this is the good way, and this is not. I just keep getting slapped by all the beans and the weeds and the Johnson grass. Johnson grass is just in my way. Actually, it's kind of helping me because the wind is like blowing all the Johnson grass one way, and so yeah. Skirt, skirt. Really sketch. And I just looked down at my light and one of the bolts fell out, or nuts, which really doesn't need it because it's impossible to get out, so. wearing socks with some off-brand Crocs. If you've made it this far, comment 110 or CRF 110.